Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the January TreasureTress box unboxing. I received my box 2 days ago. I just opened it. I don't know what's inside yet, but I thought I'll come on here and show you guys what I got. If you don't know what TreasureTress is a monthly subscription box company which provides you with natural hair products every single month, and every single month you receive different products, some full size, some samples, and yeah, it's great for those who are first trying out being natural. You don't know what works for your hair, or even you who are a product junkie like me. So yeah, if you want more information, I will place down their socials and their website, and also I'm going to give you guys a 10% discount code, which is Depassions, for you guys to use. So this is the box, and I'm gonna open it up. So this is the Happy New Hair takeover. Yeah, a new and exclusive launch brought to you first by TreasureTress. And on the back it just shows the list of the stuff that I've got. So I've got products from Revlon, and it says this is new, so I'm one of the first to try this. The first thing I see in the box is the Revlon Realistic Black Seed Oil Strengthening Curl Revive Non-Greasy Spray. Looks like this. Full focus. Gives your style a refreshing power drink with Revlon Realistic Curl Revive. With its unique infusion of black seed oil, just a spray or two of this light non-grease spray will instantly revive your style. The second thing I got is the Strengthening Twisting Pudding. It says go natural style, crazy without flaking out, from big bold twists to polished knots. Only Revlon Realistic. Twisting Pudding has powerful black seed oil to keep your hair incredibly strong and touchably soft. Then I got the Strengthening Buttercream. It says your perfect natural style begins with Revlon Realistic Buttercream leave-in. So I'm presuming this is a leave-in. The only leave-in infused with powerful black seed oil, which I've heard is really good for your hair. It penetrates deep to strengthen, seal, smooth every strand. And that's the buttercream. Then I got the Strengthening Conditioner Intense Moisture, and it says give your hair new life, resilience with Revlon Realistic Strengthening Conditioner. Its unique infusion with powerful black seed oil nourishes your hair, making it visible, shinier and stronger, provides hair with UV protection. Then I have got lastly the Strengthening Shampoo, which is sulfate free. Beautiful bounce and less breakage starts here. Only Revlon Realistic Strengthening Shampoo is infused with, of course, black seed oil. It's to strengthen your hair, nourish your scalp, and provide hair with UV protection like the conditioner. And this was £20, and I received all 5 of their products, and it was full size products, and I'm really happy about that. So it's definitely worth your money, and this is new, and I've never seen Revlon do any natural hair products, so that is actually great, and it's infused with black seed oil, so I'm very happy. I will do a total review of everything I've received in this box in a wash day using everything here. Yeah, so keep up to date with that. I'll probably upload that in a few weeks. But yeah guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to use my discount code and check out TreasureTress, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
touch my hair.